Hi, it's John T, the Omni Outliner Pro here, and I'd like to introduce you quickly to a tool that we've created here called WorkflowPro for Omni Outliner Pro. What it does is it allows professionals, business professionals, IT professionals, and anybody who does freelance work to use a single worksheet to create and send out estimates, to track projects, and to create and send out invoices. Let's just get to the demonstration. So starting Workflow Pro here, I launch my workflow worksheet, and I've created some situations here in advance just to save some time here. So let's assume that ABC Core has requested a CRM estimate from us. I set up all the tasks that I expect will be associated with this particular project. I estimate my duration, enter the rate. Now, typical of Omni Outliner Pro, we can't get the extension here. So what I'm going to do is click on Calculate Totals here in Workflow Pro, and you'll see that the totals have been calculated. Having done that, and with this row selected, I'll send it to the estimate form, and you'll see that the estimate has been created. All the tasks have been kept broken down, and a unique estimate number has been created for this estimate. Now, within a minute, I can send this by email to the client, and they'll have it in their hands very quickly. Now, having done that, let's assume that the estimate's been accepted, and we can create a project from that estimate. And here you'll see that I've created basically the same group of tasks with a status of to do. And what I want to do with this, as with any project, is to have a way of following it in my calendar. So I'll send it to iCal, and you'll see if the status has changed to in progress in iCal. So if we go over to the calendar, you'll see that a new calendar has been created with tasks for that particular project, ABC Core CRM project, with the duration here, so you can manage your activities from here in your calendar. Now, as the project progresses, you can move the activity from in progress to completed. And because this is a pop-up, you can modify this in Omni Outliner Pro to any other steps in between that you need. Okay? So at some point, you're going to want to invoice for this project. So what I've done here is this is just a copy and paste, and just change the status to prepare invoice. And I'll select that row, CRM invoice, and send it to an invoice form. And just as it did with the estimate, Workflow Pro has created an invoice form for me with a unique invoice number, with the tasks broken down and calculated. And once again, within a minute, I can send this by email to the customer. So that's the quick look at Workflow Pro for Omni Outliner Pro. I'm going to be producing several other videos that will flesh this program out a little bit more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. JT, the Omni Outliner Pro.